is Chanelle Kaleikaumaka San. I went into the culinary program here at Leeward Community College, and I grew up everywhere on this island, but mainly like Eva Beach and Kapolei side. I went into the culinary program because since I was a kid, watching my family cook at family parties and big events and stuff really intrigued me. And watching Iron Chef on TV, that's what really like sparked that interest in me. Like seeing them create something from nothing, like it was like fireworks in my head. Right now I'm a kitchen supervisor at 604 Ale House on Schofield. I'm pretty much like the hands-on with our big chef in the kitchen, making sure inventory is done, making sure the line is set up and running smoothly for the restaurant. Kūlia Mua, so I actually heard that through my instructor, Chef Lee. So when I was going to Barcelona to do an externship program, he actually introduced me to it and said that they help out students of Hawaiian backgrounds. And so from that, I was able to get a grant from the program that helped me learn about the culture, about sustainability, and we got to go into the labs and learn from the professionals there, the teachers and restaurant chefs, about their way, their techniques. We got to learn about gastronomy, which is fascinating to me because you can turn one thing into like a whole different kind of texture and taste and feeling. Like it was crazy to see that happen. As you walk the halls in different labs, there was people from Japan, from China, there was a group from Mexico. Like they took in a lot of people just so they can learn their culture, and vice versa, because even for us, we were teaching them about Hawaiian culture also, and they loved it. Because I'm an island girl, like ahi is #1 to me. I can eat that all day. So to get the chance to swim with big eye tuna and to like be around 600 of these big boys and like be in the ocean was pretty cool, because you could see it from like where they're from to the table. Because we swam with them, we got to learn about the farm-raised tuna, we got to learn like their process, and then also get to go to the kitchen, break down the ahi tuna, and like taste it for like hands-on, and it was amazing. To participate in this program, from a situation where I could never do this kind of thing, going to a different country and experiencing this, with going to Barcelona, it opens your mind to like different things. Because I grew up on the island and I rarely left it, so to go somewhere else and see how they live their lives, and to see how like we're not so different in our ideas, in our passions, it's amazing, yeah. Because it takes a lot of courage to like push through the boundaries and stuff. And it's really good for Hawaii students to experience this kind of things.